Hey guys, welcome back. There's Matilda. My last 3 videos have been about me building my Humvee roof from scratch. I did everything from fabricating and integrating the support structure to designing the aluminum panels, riveting it, bolting it down, and even finally painting it. It was a lot of work, but it only cost me $800 as opposed to over $3,000 if I bought it. As you can see, it turned out quite beautifully and very solid, if I do say so myself. I will be keeping the underside shiny because it brightens the truck up from the inside. I then took my truck out for a drive to make sure it wasn't rattling, and then to a car show in Asheboro, North Carolina with a few of my Humvee friends. So my next video is going to be about making these little filler panels for the fronts, for the sides, for the rear, over there, these filler panels over here, and also little filler panels to fill up these gaps that you see with the bolts. All right, guys, have a great time. Later.